All right, so today we talked about graphing inequalities in class, and I'm going to work through a few of your homework problems on worksheet 26. Okay, so with problem number 1, remember if there's no number out here, it gives you a y-intercept of 0. So I would start at 0, and I would go up 3 and right 4. Remember, I'm going to do that as many times as I can on my graph, or I can go down 3 and left 4. Okay, and since it is a greater than sign, not greater than or equal to, it is going to be a dotted line. And greater than means we're going to shade above. All right, over here for problem number 2, you will see that it is not in slope-intercept form yet. Okay, so we've got to rearrange. So I'm going to move my 2x over, which leaves me negative y is greater than negative 2x plus 4. Okay, but then I do have to divide by that negative, which is going to flip my inequality sign and make it a less than positive 2x minus 4. So I'm going to start at negative 4, up 2, and right 1. Again, because it is less than, it is dotted, and less than means we shade below. Okay, don't forget if it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, if you see the line, that makes a solid line. All right, jumping down to the next section, problems 5 through 9. Okay, this is just our distributive property again. So like for number 5, we're going to do 3x times 4x, which is going to give me 12x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. 2 times 4x is 8x. And 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Combine like terms there in the middle, and that makes our final answer 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. Over here with number 6, remember on the square, you just write it twice, and then we're going to do the same process. Okay, and then I did do the number 9, which was the long one. So I'm going to distribute here, which is going to make that 3x cubed minus 4x squared minus 1x. And then same thing on the bottom. Gives me 6x squared minus 8x minus 2. And combine your like terms. All right, number 10 and number 11 were just your slope questions, just like the problems on your homework from yesterday. So you can always go back and look at that video as a couple of those. All right, and then number 12, I'm going to set up and discuss with you, and then I will let you finish the math out. Okay, Kayla bought 4 bags of chips and 2 drinks, and that was $9.30. Sam bought 3 bags of chips and 4 drinks, and that was $9.85. So I would start by multiplying the top here by negative 2. Okay, so now whenever we cancel, we're going to get negative 5c equals negative 875. And when you divide, you're going to get that c is $1.75. So now we have our chips. You just need to go back in and find your drinks by plugging chips in. And then make sure you pay attention to the bottom where it asks, after you find your chips and your drinks, how much would it cost to buy 1 bag of chips and 2 drinks? You're going to have to do one more step on the equation there.